Hey friends, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the back end of your Squarespace site. We're going to hop into my site right now. I'm going to show you how to do this. There's two types of languages you can change, two places you can change language for your site on the front end or back end. This video is specific for the back end. I'll show you what I mean as we get started. So first things first, we're here on my demo website, and here the back-end language is in English. So I'm going to show you how to change that. The first thing you want to do is go to account.squarespace.com or just go to Squarespace, log in, and you'll get to this page. Once you're in here, you'll click Account Settings, and then once you're in this, you'll be able to click on Language and then change it. Now, as you can see, there's only 6 options here, 5 or 6 options. And this changes the back end of your site. So if you change it to, let's do Italian, you'll see everything on this page translated. And let's see if it happened immediately to the site as well. Yeah, you'll see that automatically, literally, the page hasn't loaded. Everything's already in Italian. So this is the back end of the site, not the actual content. Let me show you the difference. Account language, that's your back end, changes settings that help you navigate Squarespace with a specific language. Site language, this is in another place, and I have it in another video, so just check the link down below on how to change site language. Just so you have a little bit more info here, we currently support 6 languages for both account and site. So those 6 languages we just saw, right? English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. And then for site language, it shows these 5, but there are actually like a lot more that they kind of offer, which I think is just relative to the code. So let me change this back to English so we could be on the same page. English, perfect. And then go back into this. Now I'm in the settings panel here on the back end of my site. So if you just go to settings, language and region. So you'll see site language and region. I'm on site language. You'll see here, they give you a ton of options. This is a full breakdown of this is a lot. I don't know. I think they do this because this just affects the code a bit. I'm not exactly sure where or how, but you'll see here, you could choose a lot of different options. Even for English, you might want to set it up for Australia, Canada, India, whatever that might be, as that might be more specific for SEO and Google purposes, not just the actual language. Because when you change this, if I change this like Arabic, okay, and hit save, it doesn't really change anything on the site. I think the only thing it does change is the actual code, just a bit. So I could be wrong on that, but for the most part, that is the difference between both of them. You could find out more information on this if you look up this article here. Let me zoom out, which is changing your account and site language. So just Google that, Squarespace changing your account and site language. They have some FAQ down here. My site language didn't change after choosing. Will changing the site language change the text I've added? Can I choose a site language that's different? Take a look at all of this. This will get you going. Again, those 6 languages that are built in as of today: English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.